What is up? It's the Cosmic.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
What's up, everybody? This is the Cosmic, and I am doing a Robinhood small account challenge. Whenever I say small account, I mean sub $10. I want to take this hoe all the way up to 10. Not get all planned for August is to at least get this up to 100, and this is my whole. I'm showing you my as long as I've had this Robinhood account, and I've only had less than $10 in it. And I'm like, you know what? Let's turn this $10 into 100. Let's turn this $7.69 into 100. And so, just going based off the one day, I had some good calls. Just off of one stock, which was Mara, running with Bitcoin. I caught it almost perfectly, and I gained, had a 27% gain on that. And right now I'm in an option, 19.5 put on Space, and I got it for like what, $8. And I'm ready for this to run. And I missed my exit point right here, and that was what I was looking for. I mean, that was 116% on the day if I got my exit point, and that's some pretty good, that's some pretty damn good gains if you can grow your account 116%. So we're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep building and growing. This is going to be a mix of options and stock trading. So like I said, two stocks, MARA and SPCE, are the ones that I've been playing today. So thank y'all so much today, guys. Y'all have a good one. Peace.